Hello again and welcome back. I'm Saeed, a DevOps engineer and a certified Kubernetes enthusiast. You can find me right here on this YouTube channel. Follow me on X at SaeedF0 and LinkedIn as Saeed. All of the links will be down below. So this question it is about some networking, right? So it says on the control plane node, an unknown process is bound to the port 8088. Identify the process and prevent it from running again by stopping and disabling any associated services. Finally, remove the package that was responsible for starting this process. So first, we need to check to find out what process is bound to that port. And to do that, we're going to run a command called netstat. Let's read a bit about netstat first. So here it says netstat prints the network connections, routing tables, interface statistics, masquerades, connections, and multicast memberships. You can run a number of different flags with the netstat. We're going to run a combination of commands with the netstat. Sorry, a combination of flags with the netstat command. Easy way to remember that is just think of plant without an A, right? What we can get out of that is we can have printed the prototype. If I zoom out slightly, here you go, you got the prototype. You got the local address, the foreign address, the state it's in, and the program name. And what we're looking for a specific port. So if we grep for port 8088, oh, let's put that in. Oh, sorry, we shouldn't type 80, we shouldn't put type port. There you go. So we've got a TCP protocol. We've got the port 8088, and it's in this listening state. The process or program name that it's associated to is open light speed. So that answers our first question of finding out, identifying the process. Right now, we need to prevent it from running again by stopping it. And because it's a process, it's a service, it's running as a service. What we need to do is we need to call another command. Let's find out. SystemCTL. SystemCTL is the control the system CTO system and service manager. So service manager here it says system CTO may be used to introspect and control the state of the system, the system and service manager. So again, you can run the system CTO with a number of different flags. We're gonna first check the status of this service. So if I zoom back in now, you should be able to system CTO status, and I think it was, yeah, there you go, open light speed. We can see here it's active. The service is active, and what we need to do is we need to stop it firstly. Now, if we look at the status, it's no longer active, it's in an inactive state, dead. Right? Cool. So what we've done now, we've identified the process and we've also prevented it from running again. Now let's disable any associated services. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna hit disable. We've removed that. If we look at the status again, it's loaded. Cool. Lovely. Finally, we're going to remove the packages that was responsible for starting this process. And we could do that with apt-get update firstly. Once we update that, give it a moment, and then we're going to remove all packages associated. So we do apt-get remove, and we'll just paste in the service name. Yep. And that's going to remove all associations with that package. And that answers that. On to the next one.